Hello you guys, happy Vlogmas day 2. Today's mostly just a productive stay-at-home kind of day. I'm gonna just be doing work, editing, kind of just relaxing, kind of having a nice day at home so that I can try and get my finals done. We're gonna get ready together just because I want to bring myself together a little bit. My little bag, my little makeup bag. Yes, let's just get going. While I'm getting ready too, I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about some of my absolute favorite jewelry pieces that I'm going to be gifting to my relatives during this Christmas season, and I am so excited to be partnering with this brand. I've already partnered with them before. You may know Ana Luisa Jewelry is quite literally my favorite jewelry brand. Ana Luisa has been my new go-to jewelry brand because I'm obsessed with all of their pieces and their quality. So before I show you the products, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Ana Luisa and what I absolutely love about them. Something that I love is that they have a 2-year warranty. You can be completely worry-free when purchasing your jewelry. Another thing that's super awesome is that they have super fast and free shipping. You don't have to wait around for a while you're waiting for your products to come in. They just come in super quick. If you do want to return or exchange any pieces, it's super easy. So there's free shipping on exchanges and returns as well. These are the jewelry pieces that I got on my last collab with them. And guys, I never take them off. I literally never take them off. They have not tarnished, not faded. They have stayed in the exact pristine condition that I got them in when I first got these products. I wear them every day. I wear them in the shower. I seriously, I don't take them off. So that's something that I absolutely love about Ana Luisa, is that all of their jewelry pieces are tarnish free. The first piece that I'm going to be showing you is the Danae silver bracelet. It is absolutely perfect for layering with your everyday bracelet stack, having on its own. It's all around super universal, super dainty, but also very elegant. Also, this is the carbon neutral packaging. Like, it's so impressive. The next piece that I got is the Gila silver earrings. So these are super cute and super dainty. I absolutely love how small and simple they are, how you can just throw them on with a casual look, or if you have multiple piercings, you can add it to a stack. But I love these. They are super simple. Like I said, all these products, they seem so simple, but they're so elegant and they just elevate their look so much. Then this piece is the willow silver stack. Really kidding. That's so cute. The last piece that I got is actually for my mom. It is the Sam necklace in gold. This one is so cute and so precious, and I know my mom is gonna absolutely love this. I love how the 2 circles are connecting in the middle, and I want to use that as like a representation of my mom and I's bond together. Ana Luisa just genuinely always brings the best styles and best pieces. They're just chef's kiss in every way. Okay, let's go ahead and finish the rest of the get ready with me. I've been told to apply contour on my cheekbones from now on because I'm told that it will lift my face. So, okay guys, I might be saying something absolutely ridiculous and silly right now. I love watching Australian YouTubers. Just love their accent so much. If I could have any other accent, it probably would be Australian. Also, all these Australian girls are so gorgeous. I should move there and live out my H2A dreams. But then you can go a little British. Hermione, no! What's happening? He's going to sacrifice himself. No, Ron, you can't! Not me, not Hermione, you. With 2024 coming up, like, I want to have a Vlogmas episode where we sit down and we talk about 2024 goals, what it's gonna look like. We can just set some goals together, and then you guys can be my little accountability partner. Not me, not Hermione, you know, blend. I literally just said, oh, I probably should go natural today. I don't know if I should cake my face up, especially because I'm breaking out. Too late. Literally, it's too late for that. Lastly, I always was like, what's missing? What's missing? Obviously, mascara. One of my best friends told me that putting mascara on just the tips of your lashes will help them stand up longer. She couldn't have been more right. Yeah. The final and finishing product is my lip oil. I love this stuff so much. Here is my everyday look. This is not getting better, and the makeup probably doesn't help either, but I've just been feeling super insecure about it. Don't know. I have decided that every day of Vlogmas, I am gonna try out a new drink recipe. Yesterday, I showed you guys my hot cocoa recipe. We are gonna try out this recipe that I recently saw about making a brown sugar shake and espresso, and that just sounds absolutely delicious right now. Let's go make a coffee so that we can get our work done. I'm editing Vlogmas while also simultaneously working on my essay at the same time. So we're multitasking. We got it. You guys, I literally was editing all day. I did nothing but edit for the entire day. I did my little get ready with me just to edit. And making my hot cocoa again for my mom and I because I loved it so much. It's not that exciting.